Imagine living in a world where you could be jailed just for speaking your mind or denied education simply because of your gender. Sounds unfair, right? That's exactly why the concept of human rights exists. To make sure every person on this planet is treated with dignity, equality, and respect. So, what is the meaning of the human rights? Human rights are the basic rights and freedoms that belong to every human being, no matter where they live, what they believe, or how they look. They are universal, inalienable, and equal, meaning they apply to everyone, can't be taken away, and belong to all equally. The idea of human rights is ancient. It did not start recently. Around 539 BC, Cyrus the Great of Persia declared freedom from slavery and religion, one of the earliest records of human rights. Later, documents like Magna Carta 1215 in England spoke of justice and equality before the law. The American Bill of Rights and French Declaration of the Rights of Man pushed these ideas even further. But let's be real, these early rights did not include everyone. Women and enslaved people and many others had to fight long after to be recognized as equals. The real turning point came after World War II when the world saw unimaginable cruelty. In 1948, the United Nations adopted the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, UDHR, a powerful document that says all human beings are born free and equal in dignity and rights. This became the foundation of all modern human rights, laws, and movements. Human rights are mainly divided into two big groups. First, civil and political rights. Right to life, freedom of speech and religion, right to a fair trial, equality before the law, economic, social, and cultural rights, right to education, right to work with fair wages, right to help and housing, right to participate in culture and science. Together, these rights make sure every human can live with dignity, not just survive but to thrive. Who protects this? Now question is arise, who protects these rights? Protecting human rights is a shared responsibility, but the government plays the biggest role. It must respect rights, not interfere with them, protect people from rights violation by others, fulfill them by providing education, healthcare, and equal opportunities. And yes, even we have a role by standing up when someone's rights are violated. So, human rights are not just words on paper, they are the promise that no matter who you are, you deserve to live freely, safely, and with dignity. Because at the end of the day, being human itself is the biggest right of all. Hope you understood this concept in very short and easy manner. So, we will meet in next video. Till then, keep watching my videos.